Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to disable CHKDSK on Windows Startup. So first of all, open up search menu and type in CMD. Now run it as administrator. Now you have to type in the following commands. The first one is fctl space dirty space query space c. Now make sure the drive you're putting in is your main drive. For me it is my C drive, so I will just type in C, then press enter. Now put in the second command. If you guys have multiple drives on your PC, then you have to type them in too. So for example, if you have an E drive, then you will have to type it in like this. Then if you have a D drive as well, then you will type it like this. Just type in however many drives you have, just type in their letter. Once you do that, you just have to press enter. Once this is done, CHKDSK will be disabled. If you guys like my video, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching.